Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a document to the section called Start. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select the document that you would like to add to the Start section. If you have selected the one, then you should tap on the three dots icon next to your document's title. Then tap on the Add to Start option. So now this document has been added to this section. So now I am going to show you where can you find this section. So first you need to tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now you should tap on the second option, Start. As you can see here, all the items that you have added into this list or section will appear here. If you want to get rid of any of the items, you should tap on the three dots icon next to the title and then tap on this star icon, thereby removing the file or folder which has previously been added to this section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.